Today's topic of discussion is multiplication. Now we can perform multiplication in several ways. The first process we can say 63 multiplication with 25. How we can? Now if you follow the rule, this one, that is, you have to multiply 3 into 5 first, that equals to 15. Here it is 1. Now this one, multiply this plus this, so 5 into 6, that is equals to 30, and 3 into 2, that is equals to 6. If you add these two, it will be 36, and here it is 1, so it will be 37. So 7 here and 3 here. Now you have to multiply these two. 6 into 2, that is equals to 12. 12 plus 3, that is equals to 15. Okay, this is the answer. Now another method you can opt, that is, suppose you want to multiply 23 multiplied with 31. What will be the answer? Now what you have to do? You have to just multiply this two, that equals to 6, then this two 3. Now multiply these two plus these two. If you multiply these two, it will be 9, and if you multiply this one, that is equal to 2. So 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 here and 1 here. Now if you add 7, 1, 3, this is the answer. Very easy process. Now another one, if you multiply 72 multiplied with 53, how we can? The similar method, multiply these two first, that is 35, then multiply these two, that equals to 6. Now 5 into 2, that equals to 10, and 7 into 3, that equals to 21. Now if you add 10 plus 21, that equals to 31. So you may write 1 here and 3 here. Then the answer will be 3, 8, 1, 6. This is the answer. Okay, very interesting. Now, if those digits are nearly 100, that is 95 multiplied with 92. Now for such type of problem where the digit are nearly 100. Now 95 is a digit which is 5 less than 100, and 92 is 8 less than 100. So I have written minus 5, here it is minus 8. Now if you add these two, or if you add these two, you will get 84 here, 87 here. Okay, now just multiply these two, minus 5 and minus 8, it will be plus 40. So this is the answer. Now if you add 95 with plus minus 8, then it will be 87, or you may do 92 minus 95. In both the case, you will get 87 here, and then if you multiply, then this is the answer. Now another one will solve. If you solve 89 multiplied with 75, how you can? Now 89 is less than minus 11, and 75 is minus 25. Now if you multiply, then you have to add these two. If you add these two, you will get 64. Now multiply these two, 25 into 11. Now if you multiply 25 with 10, then it will be 250 plus 25, that is 275. So write 75 here. Only 2 digit you have to write, and here it is 2. So answer will be 6, 6, 7, 5. Okay, some more problem we'll solve where 3 digits are there. How we can? Now look, if we multiply 232 by 154, how we can? Now here you have to take this method. At first you have to multiply 2 with 4, then 3 with 4 and 2 with 5, then you have to add. Next step, you have to multiply this 2, this 2, this 2 and add all these, and then this one, multiply this with this plus this with this, and at the last like this. Then what it will be? It will be 4 into 2, it is 8, then 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 10, 10, so 22, 2 here, 2 here, then 4 into 2, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 15, 25, plus 2, 7 here, then again 2, now 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 1, 3, 13, plus 2, 1 here, now 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, this is the answer. Got the point? What you have to do? Multiply this 2, then multiply this with this, add this with this after multiplication, then this 2 into 4, 2 into 1, 3 into 5, multiply like this and add all these things, then again multiply this 2 and add, multiply with this 2. So this is the answer. Now very interesting solution we will give. This is the process. Another process here it is, if the digit is nearly 100, that is 102 and 100 and suppose 4. Now if you multiply, now this is, here it is 2 greater than 100, here it is 4 greater than 100. Now add these two, it will be 106, or you may add this 2 also. Now multiply these 2, 2 into 4, 8, 2 digits you have to write, so 0, 8. This is the answer. Very easily we can solve. So those digits which is nearly 100, you can solve them easily. Her calculator are not allowed for this situation, also you can do these things. 102 into 94. Have you can? Now here it is 2 plus 2, here it is minus 6. Now if you add these two or these two, you will get 96. Now here if you multiply these two, it will be 12, but negative sign will be there, so you have to subtract 12 from here. So 600 minus 12, it will be 588, so 9588. Within seconds you can do these things. Now if you multiply 108 with 95, suppose, how you can? So this is plus 8, this is minus 5. Now add this two or this one, so 103 here, and if you multiply these two, here it is 40, so you have to minus, so 300 minus 40, it will be 10260. Okay, now if the situation is like this, 112 multiplied with 107, how you can? Here it is plus 12, here it is plus 7, then add these two, 119, multiply these two, this answer. Thank you.